Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to show you how my team and I go ahead, find businesses that are doing multi-million dollars in revenue with e-com. We track down their best performing ads. We run it through an AI employee and we are able to clone their best performing ads, but with our product instead. As you guys can see here, all of these ads were our competitors' top performing ad, and all we needed to do was swap it out with our product. This is extremely easy with Claude and Nano Banana. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done step by step. So first things first, I wanted to explain why we run this strategy. What we do is we find our competitors' ads that have had the most impressions in terms of their reach, right? Because these are the ads they're spending the most money behind. Now, if we have a similar product, we basically just need to run the same type of ad because they're spending so much money on this ad angle. But obviously it has their product, their branding, and their text on it. How do we go ahead and change it? Well, it's never been more easier than it is now with AI. And with Facebook right now, where it wants more variation and more ad angles to be able to spend your money wisely, this is the fastest way to scale creatives. For example, the product that we're using here for an example is Hormone Harmony. It is a supplement that helps women with weight loss, with gut health, and with a bunch of other benefits. So over here, there are headlines as we can't say this is your shortcut to your dream body, but we can say 86% lost weight, 90% felt in surge in energy, 95% got rid of bloating, and 100% said they felt like themselves again. So now what do? We took this ad concept that's working really well and we improved it, and we improved it with our product in here, right? So this is our product. Now it's been kept here. And now we're saying we're not allowed to call this a body reset, but women are saying, so we're not, they're saying shortcut to a dream body. We're calling it a body reset. 86% said they lost weight. 86% said the weight finally started moving. 90% felt a surge in energy. 90% felt their energy come back to life. 95% got rid of bloating. 95% said bloating finally disappeared. So we've not just gone ahead and copy pasted an ad, but we did take an ad and we improved every element of it. Not just this workflow will also give you the text to check. All right, this is the same ad, right? High cholesterol, low estrogen, high cholesterol, low estrogen. Take this quiz, and then over here where it says made by women's health specialists, we've gone ahead and said what makes our product great, right? This is another ad, right? Just imagine posting the beach pics, right, without cropping half of you. Now over here, we didn't really need to change much. This image worked really well, and we've gone ahead and done that, right? We've done this same over here, right? At 52, I'm fitting into things. At 52, I'm fitting into things. And we've gone ahead and recreated the ad over here. After years of restricted dieting, after calming my hormonal bloat, over here, our image instead. So this is the best way to run ads in terms of finding ads that are better, improving them, changing the branding, and going ahead and launching your own version. Let me show you guys how this process works and how easy it is with Claude and Nano Banana. All right, so step one is go to Facebook ad library, type in the name of the company that you are researching, and then go here to sort by. Over here, make sure the impressions are high to low, then go to filters and make sure your media type is set to images and memes. And over here, inside of the filters, also make sure that the ads are active, right? We want to basically go ahead and model active ads that have the most impressions, and boom, all of these ads start showing up. Then your top 5 ads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are going to show first. And what you're going to want to do is have them open and go ahead and download all of their images. Okay, I'm going to run the same test with ad number 6 so you guys can see how easy this works. Okay, so we've already done it for the first 5 that I showed you. Now let's go ahead and do it with ad number 6. Okay, now we're going to go here and we're going to save this image as a we're going to save this ad as an image, and then over here we're going to copy this in a bit. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Claude.ai. Okay, and we're going to have this open, and the next thing that you're going to need is one of our AI employees. We're going to go to programs, we're going to go to Shop Funnels AI Vault, go to the AI Vault 2.0, and then go to the Shop Funnels AI Ad Rebuilder. Then you're going to go ahead and hit Access AI Employee. Once you have Access AI Employee, you're going to see this piece of text over here. Now this is a 26-page piece of text. That's the entire workflow for how to create and duplicate these ads step by step. You're going to go ahead and literally copy this. Then you're going to go back to Claude, and then you're going to paste this in. And then what ends up happening is Claude starts becoming your AI ad rebuilder. Okay. It's going to ask us a question, upload a competitor's ad. I'll break down exactly what makes it work. Perfect. Now we're going to go and we're going to grab that image that we saved, right? We saved this image, right? And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to paste it in here. Now that we've pasted it in here, we're going to hit enter. And what Claude's going to do now is a few things. The first thing is going to do an ad breakdown. It's going to understand every single element that's in this ad. The point of this ad rebuilder isn't to give you something completely different. We don't want to steer away from what's worked really well, right? So it's going to go ahead and do an element count of exactly what has worked. It's also going to say why this ad works, right? It uses temporal anchoring. It has a testimonial, the layout and compositions, the lighting and color, the emotional hook. And now what it's going to do is it's going to say, what are we going to improve? So all of these things, we're going to improve it. And it's also going to say why it's better, right? What are we improving visually and what we're not changing? So it's going to focus on what to change and what to keep the same. Both these things are really important. And it's going to come up with an execution spec. Now what it needs is an image of our product. Now for this example, I just went to Amazon and grabbed another competitor right over here. I would basically at this point go find your product, your supplier image, just get an image of your product. And then you're going to go ahead and just put that in here. Okay. You can upload some information, some text, XYZ, but you don't need to if you don't want to, right? Just upload this image and you are good. It will basically understand from context what this thing is. All right. So it understands the product, the brand, it's received the product image. It also categorizes what the name of the product image is. And it's going to come up with a entirely new ad concept for your particular product, right? So the layout, your product, the background, the text placement, overall mood, right? The ad copy on this image, the testimonial, the disclaimer, everything. Now we're going to go ahead and hit approved, right? And once we hit approved, what ends up happening is it's going to start building our ad. To build our ad, we're going to need an image creator, okay? And for the image creator, we're going to actually use Nano Banana. We're going to click this link and it takes us to a website called topview.ai. What topview.ai is an image and video builder. This isn't Nano Banana, but it has Nano Banana in it, okay? So I'll show you exactly how to use it. You go to dashboard, you sign up. I've left the link down below to sign up to topview.ai. Use them. I use them all the time. If you're a regular viewer of the channel, you know how much we use topview.ai, okay? Now we're going to go to board. And we're going to create a new board, right? So just create a new board because I like to keep all of my stuff organized, okay? Now we're going to go to AI Ad Rebuilder version 2. This is just a new board I created to show you guys how I rebuild ads really fast, as you guys can see, okay? So now what we're going to do is go to image edit, and we're going to basically follow the instructions that it gives us, right? It's going to tell us upload these two reference images and copy this prompt in. Perfect. So the first image is the competitor ad. Okay, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to upload the competitor's ad right here. Okay, amazing. And then the second thing that it's telling us to do is upload the product reference. Okay, perfect. Which is the same image that we gave it, right? And it also set it by name. So we're going to upload that. And then the next thing that it's telling us to do is copy and paste this exactly. So now we're going to copy this in and we're going to paste it in here. Okay. And we're going to leave it 2K and we're going to make sure that it's 4 and we're going to hit generate. And now let's wait and see what our ad looks like in comparison to the original ad that we've done. And now look at this, right? Imagine feeling this good by June. Now, what it did was this ad was ran in March, right? So they're saying you're going to feel good in April. We're running this ad in April and it caught the fact that we have to now say June. Do you understand how smart that is? Right? Look at this. Imagine feeling this good by June, right? My mood swings, hot flashes have calmed down. I'm finally sleeping through the night hour ad. And now let's put this side by side of the ad that we came across, right? Wouldn't you consider this to be a slight improvement while keeping everything the same? Let me just put this in side by side. These are both the ads side by side. We've changed up the colors a little bit. We've highlighted June. It's our product, and we've created an improved version of this ad for our product, and it didn't even take us a couple of minutes. And this is how fast it is to run. Okay, now when we go ahead and click done, it will also give us the entire text that we need to publish along with this ad, like the primary ad copy, right? So this is the ad copy that we should publish to be able to run this ad. If I had given it the ad copy in the start, if I had given it this ad copy in the start, it would have done an excellent job at rewriting all this copy. I just forgot to. So let's go ahead and do this again, right? I want you guys to see how cool and how fast this thing is. Okay, so now I'm going to go to another ad. I'm going to save this as an image. Right? It can basically produce multiple different variants of this ad, right? Or we can work on a new ad. I'm just going to say new ad, okay? And now, once it understands, right, what the ad is, what the product is, it won't ask for your product image again. Right now, we're working on a new ad, but this time, I'm also going to give it, right? This time, last time I made a mistake. I didn't give it the text, right? This time I'm also going to give it the text, and you will see how it rewrites all of this text for us as well. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this in. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and say new ad. Okay. So I'm actually going to paste all of the text on a notepad first and then paste it to Claude, because what it'll do is it'll keep all of the spaces in. Okay, now I'm going to just hit new ad. Okay, and now it has the ad image and the ad text. See how it works. So first, again, it's going to do a count, an element count of everything that it sees on the ad. Your improved ad will have the exact same number of elements, just better versions. That's what we want to do. We want to rebuild the ads, but we want to improve it and we want to work it on our brand. Next, it's coming up with why this ad works, right? The visual transformation, the escalation rhetoric, the gold star badge, the layout, the lighting, color. And this is everything that we're going to improve and what we're going to keep as well. All of that's in here as well, right? Now the visual execution spec is going to basically think through how are we going to go ahead and do this, right? This is some of the best like AI workflow we've ever created. And now, because I gave it the copy, it's actually going to go ahead and rewrite the entire meta ad copy. This is insane. This is going to be your primary text, okay? Now, after it's done all of this thinking, we're just going to go ahead and hit approved. And now it's going to go ahead and come up with the prompt that we're going to need, right, to build the ad. So it's telling us to go to this tool, find Nano Banana, put this in, right, and copy paste this. Now that the prompt is almost done, we're just going to wait for it to finish writing the prompt. We're going to copy this prompt in. We're going to go to topview.ai. We're going to upload our new ad this time, right, which is this one. Okay, we're going to still upload the product image, which is this one. And then we're going to paste this new prompt in. Now, the thing is, topview.ai only takes 1,500. This has gone a little bit over 1,500 characters. So we're just going to be like, can you make the prompt 1,500 characters? Okay. The thing is, Claude doesn't count spaces sometimes properly or characters. So that's why it may have gone above board, but this is fine. It's done it. Right? We're going to copy it again. It's still not done it. The thing is, this particular ad has a ton of changes, okay? It has a ton of changes. It has a ton of text. So it has to think through, in using the least amount of characters possible, how to do it. So it's trying to cut corners, but I'm glad this is happening right now. And so it's going to now trim it down. Okay, perfect. You see, it's under 1,500. Now we're going to hit generate. Okay, now, as you guys can see, it has gone ahead and recreated the ad, right? Cortisol belly going away, before and after, our product. It is literally that easy. It is literally that easy. You can select the variant that you like, and you can introduce the changes that you like. If you want to make any other changes, just go here, just hit this remix button, and then just describe some changes that you want, right? If you want another avatar, if you want like a white background instead, or if you want XYZ, and then you don't need like super advanced prompts. You can just be like, hey, change the background, and then you will get it. And so what's your daily thing? How are you running your business? Well, just go to your competitors, see what they're spending the most money on, recreate it for your brand, and then start running ads. That's how simple it is. That's how me and my students are doing it. And that's how I'd advise you use Claude and Nano Banana to go ahead and create ads for your e-commerce store, for your digital products, for your courses, for any service that you run, and start getting sales. And by the way, if you don't have a product to switch, you just have a new brand name, you just have anything, when Claude asks you over here, like, what's your product, you can just say, create a similar ad for my brand, and it'll do it, right? You don't even have to upload an image. This is just something that I used as an example. For those of you guys that are interested in getting this workflow, get access to my AI Employee Vault. The AI Vault 2.0 has all of the advanced employees and workflows that we use every single day to run our businesses. In the last week alone, we added a video producer, we added a video cloner, we added a prompt engine for seed ads, and now we've added an AI ad rebuilder. This little vault has more value than $2,000 to $3,000 courses because it doesn't just teach you how to do stuff, it actually does stuff for you. And for those of you guys that are not ready to commit to the vault just yet, you can go ahead and just get this individual prompt in the link down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. AI has allowed us to move at a pace that was never possible before. Beginners can now go ahead and use 6- and 7-figure businesses ads as a template to launch their own. You don't need access to crazy copywriters, graphic designers, or you don't need to be an ad genius. Just work with what's already working. That's the entire premise of our white label dropshipping over here. We don't rebuild from scratch. We find stuff that's working and we go ahead and just model that. We model it for our own brands and we start seeing success way faster than anybody else. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you thought this workflow was cool. Let me know in the comments down below what AI employee you'd want to see me create. And if you guys aren't in the vault already, I don't know what you're doing because we are updating it every single week with bangers. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.